10.5 is about trig and area. Problem 1, what is the area of a regular nonagon, 9-sided figure, again I apologize for my drawing, with 10 centimeters side. So right here is 10. Well, let's blow that triangle up down there that I'm looking for. This is our side down here. This is our apothem. Our side is 10. Well, that's half of it, which is 5. So let's go ahead and let's find what this is. This is 360 divided by 9 for that central angle. So 360 divided by 9 is 40 degrees. Again, have to cut that in half, making that be 20 degrees. So how do I find A? Well, we have opposite, we have adjacent, so it's the tangent of 20 degrees equals opposite, which is 5, over adjacent, which is A. Multiply by both sides, A tangent of 20 equals 5. Divide both sides by the tangent of 20. And A equals 13.74. So if we're finding the area, again, it's going to be area equals 1/2 of our apothem, which is 13.74, times our perimeter, which in this case would be 9 times 10, which is 90. Plug that all in, we get about 618. Problem 2 talks about find the area. Here they give you the radius, so let's enlarge that triangle again. This is our triangle. Our radius is 16.2. We're looking for the side here, which is S, and our apothem here, which is A. How do I do that? Well, let's find that angle again, that one right there. We're going to take 360, and we're going to divide it by 8. Gives me 45 degrees. That's our central angle, but I need to take half of that, so I'm going to divide it by 2. That gives me a top angle of 22.5. Sorry about that. Nope, sorry again. Can't write in there, we're going to write there. 22.5. So, what do I do? Well, let's find the apothem first. So the apothem is adjacent and hypotenuse, so that's going to be the cosine of 22.5 equals adjacent, which is A, over hypotenuse, which is 16.2. To solve for A, multiply both sides by 16.2. That's gone. I get A equals about 14.97. Now we need the side. Well, what do we have here? We have opposite, we have hypotenuse. There we go with sine now. So the sine of 22.5 equals opposite, which is S, over hypotenuse, which is 16.2. Again, same process. Multiply both sides by 16.2. That's gone, and I get a side, the half of the side, we'll talk about that in a second, equal to about 6.1995. Now, I kept it out a little bit because remember, this is only half of that side. If we do the triangle, that's S. This is also S. We need the whole side. So in order to do that, I'm going to multiply that by 2. I'm going to get a side length of 12.4. So let's find the area. Area equals 1/2 our apothem, which is 14.97, times our perimeter, which in this case will be 8 times 12.4. Just plug all that in my calculator. And you get about 743, somewhere in that area. Theorem 10.8 talks about area of a triangle when you have side angle side. So when you have side angle side, it's the area of the triangle is 1/2 of BC times the sine of A. So if they give us this angle here, it's going to be 1/2 of side B times side C times the sine of A. So let's take a look at a problem. What is the area? So we have 48 degrees. So the area is going to be 1/2 of 12 times 21 times the sine of 48. Again, that's fairly simple. Plug that whole thing in my calculator, and I get about 94 is my area.